Hi everyone, my name is Moira. I'm an electrical engineer student at Federal University of Bahia. I'm here today to teach you how to change your officers on IEEE vTools officers reporting. First, first things first, we're gonna access this website and we're gonna sync in with our IEEE email and password. So since we got in, we can manage officers here. And now we can write the name of the university that we want to change the officers. So I'm gonna try Federal University of Bahia. That's my university. So I'm gonna select the student branch. Okay, so now we have sure that we are editing Federal University of Bahia officers. And we have two possibilities. We can end or adjust the term of an officer that is already on the system, or we can add another officers. If we want to end or adjust, we just click in here. Okay, so if we want to change the term of an officer that's already on the system, we just have to select in this calendar and submit the change. And if we want to add another officer, like a new one, we can click here and we're gonna need the member number. So if we are talking about a student branch, the member needs to be IEEE member. And if we are talking about societies or affinity groups, we need to have sure that the chair or the other person in the officers need to be an IEEE member and a society or affinity group member. And then we're going to put the member number here, and then the start date and the end date, and do the same, submit. In the end of our changes, we are going to have a button to confirm the changes, and we are going to change the officers on vTools. That's an important step as a way to guarantee that your student branch are gonna receive the student rebate. That is the money that IEEE gives to all of the student branches that has officers reported on vTools, and also for activities and the annual plans submitted in the vTools as well. That's it. Thank you for your attention and see you later.